Ever wondered how to turn your garden into a bird paradise? A place alive with the music of birdsong, a flurry of feathers flitting between branches, a haven for these wonderful creatures? It's easier than you might think. With a few simple adjustments, your garden can become a beacon, drawing in a rich variety of our feathered friends. From providing the essential elements of life to creating a safe and welcoming environment, we'll explore the key steps to transform your garden into a bird sanctuary. Stick around, and we'll show you the top 5 tips to attract beautiful birds to your garden. Just like us, birds need a constant supply of energy, and that means a reliable source of food. Providing a variety of food sources is key to attracting different species. Consider setting up bird feeders in your garden, filled with a diverse selection of seeds. Sunflower seeds, for example, are a firm favorite amongst many birds, while suet, a high-energy treat, is particularly attractive during the colder months. By offering a diverse menu, you'll cater to the tastes of a wider range of feathered visitors. Remember to clean your feeders regularly to keep your avian diners healthy. Water, the elixir of life, is as essential for birds as it is for us. Not only do they need it to quench their thirst, but also for bathing, keeping their feathers clean and free of parasites. Consider adding a bird bath to your garden, ensuring it's shallow enough for smaller birds to use comfortably. A gently trickling fountain or a small pond will also prove irresistible, attracting birds with the sound and sight of moving water. Chapter 3. Native plants are the cornerstones of a bird-friendly garden. These plants have evolved alongside native bird species, providing them with familiar and essential sources of sustenance. Choose plants that offer a variety of foods throughout the year, such as berry-producing shrubs like holly and elderberry, seed-bearing flowers like coneflowers and sunflowers, and nectar-rich blooms like bee balm and salvia. By planting native, you're not just feeding the birds, but supporting the entire local ecosystem. Chapter 4. For birds, a garden isn't just a restaurant or a spa. It's also a potential nesting site. Offering safe and secure nesting locations will encourage birds to raise their young in your garden, filling it with the joyful sound of fledgling calls. Birdhouses are a fantastic way to provide these safe havens. Different bird species prefer different shapes and sizes of birdhouses, so do a little research to attract your desired tenants. Place the birdhouses in quiet, sheltered locations, away from harsh weather and potential predators. Chapter 5. Just as important as providing for their needs is ensuring the safety of your feathered visitors. Birds are particularly vulnerable to predators, especially in urban and suburban environments. Keep cats indoors, or create barriers to prevent them from accessing areas frequented by birds. Avoid using pesticides, as these can be harmful to birds both directly and indirectly through the food chain. Plant dense shrubs and trees to provide cover from predators and create a sense of security within your avian haven. Transforming your garden into a bird paradise isn't about grand gestures, but a series of thoughtful choices. By providing food, water, and shelter, and ensuring a safe and welcoming environment, you can create a haven for birds, a place where they can thrive and enchant you with their presence. Imagine waking up to a chorus of birdsong, watching as parents teach their young to fly, observing the fascinating behaviors of these winged wonders right outside your window. Follow these tips, and soon you'll have a garden buzzing with beautiful birds. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more nature-friendly tips. Let us know in the comments what birds you've spotted in your garden.